Art of Aging. I'm Catalina Hoffman. Today we're going to talk about something that is really important and we not think about it so much. How we need to adapt our home to be safe. For example, in your room, in your bed, it's really important for you to be aware of a few things. First of all, if you have Wi-Fi, internet, if you have the place of the internet inside your room, your bedroom, is a bad idea because it's really unpredictable. You really do not feel it, but makes you not sleep really well. Second of all, the temperature. Normally, you do not think about that. Or it's really hot or it's really cold. You need to be like in a middle temperature because if it's really cold, you can really get ill because when you sleep, you are really in another mood and you do not feel that you are cold. And if you're super hot, you can. It's terrible because you can sweat and you can be dehydrated, so you are not aware of that. Another thing that we need to be aware is all the scent part, the lights, all the noise, all the things that can disturb you at night. Because sleep for you is the most important thing. So bedroom, temperature, light, how is or not comfortable your bed, that is really important also, and all the Wi-Fi, iPhones, telephones, computers, that I understand because I do it myself, that you're on the bed with the computer or with the telephone and you leave it there because you get to sleep. That is a bad thing also. You have to be aware. So these kind of things are really simple but are really important in our day and in our lifestyle because prevention of falling in any case is the most important thing. So remember that you can come and age with me.